In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome on Windows quickly and easily. Keeping Chrome up to date is important because updates can improve performance, fix bugs, and help protect your browser with the latest security patches. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech guide like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the More icon, which is the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find options for settings, history, downloads, and more. Now, move your mouse down to the Help option near the bottom of the menu. Hovering over Help will open a secondary menu, and from there, you'll want to click About Google Chrome. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically begin checking for updates. You do not need to search for anything manually because this screen is designed to detect and install the latest version for you. If an update is available, Chrome will start downloading it right away. You'll see a progress percentage on the screen so you can watch the update move along as it downloads. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, Chrome will prepare the update for installation. When that process finishes, a blue Relaunch button will appear. This button means the update is ready and Chrome needs to restart to apply the new version. Click Relaunch to finish updating Google Chrome. After Chrome restarts, your browser will be running the latest version available on your Windows PC. That's all there is to it. You've now updated Google Chrome on Windows using the built-in update checker. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and check out the rest of the channel for more helpful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.